Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent shakeout just happening here in the crypto markets. We can see Solana dropped from 240 down to 212. Then we have Bitcoin dropping to 111k around that. Then Ethereum dropped to almost $4,000. So many altcoins you can see here are in the red today, down 7% on ETH. Bitcoin Cash minus 5%, Litecoin minus 9%, Doge minus 10%. So many altcoins are literally having big retracement and a pullback. So we are going to talk about it this moment. Let's see what the charts are telling us. For now, I'm looking here at the Solana chart and look at this, guys. We are basically still following the trend line right here. I expect a bounce back this area very soon. This line here has been a good support for the past 2 months, and I expect it to be still holding. If it's not going to hold, the next price target would be the $198. So still 10% to drop. So don't use too much leverage. Always use a stop loss and stay safe. It's very important that you protect your capital. Many people got wrecked during this dip. And we will also talk about my account right here. We can see here it's around 100k less than yesterday. That's because I gave away a lot of my gains from the previous days. We see all of these trades here are lower in profit than they were before. Some of them are in the green here. Big and short trade minus 17k, unfortunately, and also some other trades here also in the red zone. So we need to be very careful with our positions. Still very comfortable with them because I still have a lot of margin here in my account. This is a cross combined margin, so all of my positions accumulated together give the margins for these trades. Like that, you can see my liquidation price is quite low and I almost cannot get liquidated on these trades for now because I have a lot of margin in this account. So if you're trading on isolated, I would recommend you using 5x or maximum 10x, or even less. If you're a beginner, you can use 2x, 3x, or just spot positions. Spot positions, you can incredible gains. Now we can see some of my trades still massively in the profits. Basically, most of the trades that I bought in the past 2 weeks are in the red right now. So we have to see. It was some very bullish time. There were some expectations and some news coming in, and because of that, the market was a little bit inflated, to say. And I've been a little bit too bullish. Sometimes we have to see. I'm also not perfect, but I always try to do my best. I was very bullish. I'm still bullish on the whole market. I think we will see a big run like never before for crypto very soon. And now, with being said, let's go and talk here about Ethereum, because Ethereum is flashing a signal, guys, that hasn't been flashed for a very long time. First of all, right here we are now exactly on major support at around $4,000. I expect a bounce very soon. We can see in August we dropped here below on the RSI. We dropped in the oversold zone, and after that, let me quickly show it to you. This was at this point. From there, we went around 47% to the upside in around 3 weeks. So I expect a similar move for Ethereum very soon as well. Maybe higher. I expect Ethereum to go up to $5,000-6,000 in the upcoming months. We are cutting interest rates. More liquidity is going to come into the market. So I'm very bullish on the whole. We will also start talking about more stocks on this channel. So be prepared. I will explain to you everything, how you can diversify your portfolio, which stocks to look at, and many more. Now, support is, if it goes below that, the next price target will be here, $3,900. Let's see. I think we will hold here. We are already quite oversold. So let's see what will happen in the next upcoming days. It's very important for this line here to hold. Let me quickly showcase it to you right here. We have this line. It's very important that we don't go below. If we go below, the next one would be at 3,900, and after that at 3,700. That would be quite unfortunate. Many altcoins will lose a lot of gains. Be careful out there. Now I would definitely slowly enter positions, buy the dips slowly and sell the pumps quickly. That's the mode of this bull market. Because we can see here we are getting overbought quite fast, and after it's coming to a retracement. So you need to be very careful out there. Now the question is, which other altcoins are here interesting? Let's actually quickly talk about Bitcoin here and see what happened here as well. We can see Bitcoin dropped from around 118k down to 111k. Quite a big drop. We had a small head and shoulders pattern here that broke to the downside. We have support here at 110. So we are quite close to that. The next one would be at around 108. Let's see what will happen. For now, we broke this uptrend here, which is not so nice. We are already creating a basically a lower low. The previous low was around here, and now we are creating a lower low. So we might see a little bit of a chop in the next upcoming days. So you need to be very careful there. Don't open too high leverage positions. Stay safe. Use only a little bit of your capital. You can see here I have quite many trades, but all of these trades are very small compared to my whole account here. Some of them, like the bit and sword trade, I added a little bit too much to this trade, guys. I should have took some profits here. This trade was in just 3 days ago, and now you can see here it's down 18k. So that's how fast it can go. You need to be very careful in the space. Learn from my doings as well. It's important that nobody is 100% right in trading. If you have a win rate of around 70%, you're already doing better than 99% of the people out there. So it's very important that you keep calm even if the market is going down. See it as an opportunity to buy more at a discounted price. Now, what else do we have here? Let's also talk a little bit about the liquidity. And we can see here a lot of liquidity has been grabbed right here. That's quite positive. The big chunk of liquidity is sitting at around 116k. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go there next. Let's see, we still have some downwards liquidity here. So let's see, we might grab that as well. So you need to be very careful right now. Now I would enter the market slowly, definitely. I already have so many positions, so that's why I wouldn't open some more. For now, I will wait for a bounce back, take some profits, and then relax back until another opportunity comes. That was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits and take advantage of the opportunity in the description. $30,000 bonus for you. Now, bye.